Hello guys, so in today's video, I'm going to show you how to wrap text around an image in Canva. So go to canva.com and log into your account. You can choose any layout that you want to use, for example, presentation, document, or any canvas size you prefer. Let's start with a blank presentation. Next, go to the Elements tab, and let's add an element or a photo. Let's use this one. Resize it, then place it wherever you want, usually on the left side or the right side. Continue repositioning the image so it leaves you space for the text beside it. Now add a text box. Then type in any paragraph that you want. Canva doesn't have a built-in wrap text feature, so this part is done manually. Set the text alignment to left. There we go. And adjust the width of the text box so it fits next to the image. Then to create the wrap effect, let's make some line breaks. Let's make a line break here. Press enter. There we go. Another line break here. Press enter. And that's it. This takes a bit of adjustment, but it's currently the only way to achieve a wrap style layout. If you're using Canva Docs, you can use a simple workaround. Basically just insert a table with two columns, and in the first column your text or the photo, and the second column vice versa. Again, technically that is not the wrap text effect, but it creates a clean, wrap-like layout that works well with documents. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and click the bell icon for more tutorials and tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.